A critical excursion hits the line. Engineers scramble across systems, telemetry defect images, historical reports, trying to piece together what happened. What if that investigation started with answers instead of queries? Let's break down how it works. When an excursion hits in a semiconductor fab, what happens? Engineers start stitching together context from 5 different systems: time series databases for sensor telemetry, SQL for MES records, object storage for wafer images, a vector database for similarity search, document repositories for past RCA reports. When every hour of unplanned downtime bleeds revenue and each scrapped wafer is a significant loss, you can't wait for a human to manually spot the pattern. And the data lives everywhere. Every query that crosses system boundaries adds latency. Every sync job introduces drift. The problem isn't any single database, it's the integration between them. And when you want an AI agent that reasons across all this data, fragmented architectures can't deliver what agents need. MongoDB Atlas solves this by converging these workloads into a single platform. Time series collections for telemetry, vector search for semantic similarity, flexible documents for everything else, and change streams for real-time event detection. Here's the architecture. Sensor telemetry flows in, MongoDB detects threshold violations in real time. That triggers an AI agent that investigates autonomously using 4 specialized tools, all querying the same database. 6 systems replaced by 1 platform, no integration tags, no sync drift. Here's how it works end-to-end. Sensor telemetry streams into MongoDB. When readings breach thresholds, sustained temperature spikes, particle count anomalies, an alert fires in real time. Milliseconds, not end of shift. That alert triggers a React agent, an AI that reasons and acts autonomously. It has 4 MongoDB power tools: query alerts, search wafer defects using multi-modal vector search, analyze time series sensor data, and search a knowledge base of historical RCA reports. The agent chains these tools together, pulling the alert, finding similar historical wafer patterns, correlating sensor data around the failure window, retrieving proven corrective actions, then synthesizes everything into a structured root cause analysis with an evidence chain. And because we use MongoDB checkpointing, the agent memory persists. Engineers can ask follow-ups, auditors can trace how conclusions were reached.
Let's see this in action. Here's the live monitoring dashboard. You can see sensor data streaming in real time, particle counts, temperature, and RF power across the fab. The process health matrix shows equipment status at a glance. An excursion just occurred. The alert appears immediately with severity and equipment details. I can click into it to see the overview, which equipment, which metrics triggered it, the excursion type. But instead of manually investigating, I'll ask the root cause agent, what caused this excursion and what should we do about it? Watch the agent work. It starts by pulling the alert details. Then it queries wafer defect info. And here's the multimodal search, finding historically similar wafers with known root causes. Now it's analyzing the sensor statistics around the failure window, comparing against the baseline. Finally, it searches the knowledge base for matching RCA reports. Here's the final analysis. Root cause hypothesis backed by evidence from 4 different data sources, sensor correlations, similar historical patterns, as well as recommended corrective actions pulled from proven solutions in the knowledge base. Now, I review the evidence. The model shows correlation across equipment, batch recipe, and spatial dimensions. The agent investigated and recommended, but I decide whether to act or investigate further. I can validate the analysis, ask follow-up questions, or proceed with the fix.
That's the shift. Operation teams respond in real time instead of reviewing end-of-shift reports. Process engineers search once instead of across 5 systems. RCA teams get correlated evidence and audit trails in seconds. What used to take hours of manual correlation and cause significant downtime now resolves before the next wafer loads. The full implementation is open source. Check the link in the description, and if you want to go deeper into how to build systems like this, you can find more hands-on tutorials on the MongoDB Developer YouTube channel. Thank you.